Were you aware at that time, one way or the other, of any conversations and disagreements that had been occurring internally as to whether Mr. Kamek should be hired to do this? Were you aware through talking to other people or any other source?
Objection, Mr. President. That response would call for hearsay.
I've not asked for the statements yet. I've asked if he's aware of anything.
I'm going to sustain. Would you re-ask the question?
Thank you. So, at that time, were you aware of any other concern about this matter, namely Mr. Kamek being hired to review a criminal investigation or whatever the assignment was? Were you aware one way or the other as to whether there was any opposition by other people in the organization to hiring Mr. Kamek for this project?
Objection, Mr. President. That would be derivative of hearsay.
I have asked simply whether he's aware
Overruled.
Thank you.
He can answer.
Are you?
Yes, sir.
Is that another reason you wanted to be cautious?
Objection, leading.
All right, that's fair enough.
Sustained.
Are you? Thank you, Judge. Were you, because without going into what you said, had you had conversations before September 3rd with the Attorney General about this matter?
Yes, sir.
When did you have your first conversation with him about it?
The first time would have been when he asked about the basic process. That would have been around August 15th.
And at that time, did he talk to you at all about what he had in mind?
No, sir. It wasn't until the week of August 26th, I believe, when I was on vacation, General Paxton called me and asked me to explain the process, the basic process, to two individuals.
Did he mention Mr. Kamek's name?
Yes.
What did he say to you?
He just asked me to contact both of the individuals, explain the process to them, and that these were the two individuals that...
The other person, why two individuals? Was there somebody else under consideration?
There were two names that General Paxton gave me.
And what was the other name he asked you to prepare a potential contract for?
Joe Brown.
All right. Mr. Joe Brown had been a previous U.S. attorney, had he not?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, so did you prepare a contract like we just introduced for both Mr. Kamek and Joe Brown?
No, sir.
All right. Whom did you prepare the contract for exclusively?
So the only contract that was prepared in this matter was for Brandon Kamek.
And why did you not do one for Mr. Brown?
Based on when the Attorney General came into my office on September 3rd and directed me to prepare a contract for Brandon Kamek, it was my understanding that there was no longer any need for a contract for Mr. Brown.